Hello there and welcome back. Today I am doing some thrifting and I thought I would bring you guys along with me to see what we can find. If you stay to the very end of this video, I will be sharing what I picked up today while out and about. and I'm going to show you what I found. I found two things at Goodwill. The first thing being this gorgeous silver covered dish. It's so cute. The inside actually does have a little tray inside of it. I think these are for butter. I'm really not sure what these are for, but I just love anything with a dome or a pretty lid. Look at that. It is gorgeous, and it was $3.99, so of course I had to pick it up. I do have another domed little dish like this that's in pewter, and I also have a couple that are ceramic and white, but I didn't have a silver one, so this was a great find. So the second thing I found was this beautiful pink glass plate. I believe it is supposed to be like a cake plate. It has a little stand on the bottom. It was $4.99, and I have been wanting to start collecting this pink glass for the springtime. I think pink and green glass together would be really, really pretty. So I'm starting with the pink because I've been using a lot of pink in my spring decor the last couple of years. I'm not sure that this is actually depression glass because I don't really know too much about it, but it is really pretty. It has a great little design here. It's got flowers in the middle and then off on the edges as well. This is really dirty. It needs to be cleaned up, but I thought that was just really pretty, and I thought $4.99 was a pretty good price. So then the next thing I found was from the second store. I found two items there as well. The first thing I picked up was this book. It's nice and thick. I love historical reads. This one is called Shooting Victoria, and it's by Paul Thomas Murphy. I'm excited to read this. I still have a few books that I still haven't read, but I don't know. I was in a mood to read today, so I decided a new book was in order. So I picked that up. And then the last thing I picked up was a little goodie bag. It was $2.99, and in it had these little animals that I picked up for the babies because they love little animals like this. Plus, it had this little guy in it, which is actually a baby toy. It's got a rattle in it. They go crazy for these little baby toys. So I thought that was a really good price for 3 new toys for my little babies. So those are the items I picked up today. Hope you guys enjoyed thrifting with me. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.